This is the Lifestudio Flex Plus, Epson's latest portable 4K projector that packs some serious power and performance into a small, compact design. The Flex Plus can cast up to a 150-inch 4K display. It has booming speakers powered by Bose Sound, GoogleTV Streaming, easy setup, ambient lighting. It can be powered by a portable battery via USB-C, and with the Epson Projection Studio app, you can set up a virtual show for your event where guests can take photos, videos, and share them on the big screen for a live highlight reel. Now, I already shared a YouTube Shorts unboxing of the Flex Plus here, so we're just gonna dive in and talk about what life is like with this beautiful little projector here. So the first thing that you're gonna notice after powering it on is just how simple it is to use. The Flex Plus is as plug and play as it gets. Thanks to Epson's Epic Sense 2.0, setting the Flex Plus up literally only takes seconds. It automatically focuses and aligns itself to your space without having to mess with any settings. Every time that the projector is moved, it will automatically adjust itself and align to your space in front of it. If you want even more flexibility, there are plenty of settings within the menu system to help better fine-tune things. One of the most unique design decisions that I've seen in a projector is that Epson added in ambient lighting underneath that casts a soft glow of color. It instantly sets the mood whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or hosting a party outside. You can even use it as a nightlight if you want to. The Flex Plus has a few different color options built in that you can shuffle through and adjust the brightness of. Once you're up and running with the projector though, it's the 4K picture quality that's gonna blow you away. Projectors this small don't typically deliver the most vibrant picture quality, but the Flex Plus humbled me big time. Not only is it great for watching shows and movies, but it's surprisingly great for gaming as well. With Epson's 4K Pro USD, you get sharp, detailed images that can stretch up to 150 inches. I've had this projector set up in a few different places, however, I've mostly used it in my living room. It can easily cast from the table in the middle of the room to my 100-inch ALR screen on the wall. The picture is sharp, it's detailed, and it's well balanced with vibrant colors, even if the space is loaded with ambient light. The Flex Plus only has 1,000 lumens of brightness, so it isn't the most punchy projector on that front. For its size though, it performs beautifully. As you've been seeing, this projector looks great even when my living room gets flooded with ambient light from the sun in the afternoon. The Flex Plus isn't going to replace a larger, brighter projector. However, it can certainly be that impressive little projector that lets you claim that you have an amazing theater setup at home. It's almost as if a big projector and a little projector had a baby. The Flex Plus is that best of both worlds middle ground with the performance to back it up. Of course, great visuals don't mean much without great sound, and this is where the Flex Plus also impressed me. Epson partnered with Bose to design the sound system for their new Lifestudio line of projectors, and it delivers big time. Voices are clear, music has real depth to it, and action scenes just feel cinematic. The built-in speakers can easily fill the room with booming sound, and unlike a lot of other projectors, you don't immediately feel the need for an external set of speakers. Here's a quick test so you can get an idea how things sound. The built-in Bose Sound makes the Flex Plus feel like a complete home theater solution packed in one little device. To further add to why I say that, the Flex Plus has built-in GoogleTV Streaming, which gives you access to Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and all of your favorite apps without needing any extra devices. If you have a Google Home, you can also use this projector to manage your smart home accessories. Streaming aside, the Flex Plus has even more up its sleeve. One of the coolest features comes with Epson's Projection Studio app. Here you have the ability to set up a virtual show for your event. Once your event is set up in the app, guests can scan a QR code and upload photos or videos from their perspective, which is then displayed on the big screen in real time. Imagine birthdays, weddings, or game nights where everyone contributes to a live highlight reel. That's pretty much what this is. It turns the projector into the centerpiece of the party, and it makes things even more fun for everyone involved, which leads me to my favorite feature, which I saved for last. The Flex Plus can be powered with a portable battery over USB-C, which means you can hook it up and use it anywhere. I use it with Anker's 25K laptop power bank, and I can get about an hour of runtime out of it, but usage is going to depend on the battery that you use and its capacity. Whether it's a backyard movie night or a camping trip, this thing doesn't have to be tied to the wall like most projectors do, which only adds to the insane versatility that the Flex Plus already has. So to start closing this video out, The Epson Lifestudio Flex Plus is an excellent little projector, but it's so much more than that. It's a full-on portable entertainment hub with 4K visuals, cinematic Bose Sound, built-in streaming, instant setup, interactive party features, ambient lighting, and the ability to run off of a USB-C portable battery. I cannot think of any other projector that offers as much versatility as the Flex Plus does. If you want a projector that works just as well for movie nights indoors as it does for movie nights outdoors and events wherever you go, the Flex Plus here checks all of the right boxes. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of the Epson Lifestudio Flex Plus? Does it look like something that you would use? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!